In this video, I will share with you how to create and link new pages in Hostinger website builder. Examples of pages that we'll see how to create include this services page, this contact page, and we'll also see how to create a page using Hostinger AI website builder. We'll also see how to create empty page and so on. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Then click on this edit website button next to your website built using Hostinger website builder. Now, to create a new page, just go to pages and navigation. Then click on this add page button. A new window pops up. Here you can select between creating or generating your page using Hostinger AI website builder, creating a new or an empty page, create a blog page like this one, creating an online store page, creating an about or contact page like this one, services, projects, and these legal pages. First, let's generate a page using AI. Now, describe the page you want to create. This is an example of a page description, which is create an about us page for our sustainable Italian restaurant where we craft authentic dishes using only the finest locally sourced ingredients. As you see, this is a great description. You can even see examples of page descriptions. Now hit this create page button and Hostinger website builder are creating your new page. And this is the page I got using Hostinger AI website builder. The first photo is a little bit off, so I need to change it. I will do it later. Now, this is the second section. The next section with a background photo. And this is the gallery section. This is a review, the location. This is really a good result, except this photo that needs to be replaced. Now let's see how to add a different or a new, yes, a different kind of pages. Now you can create an empty page like this one. Then click on add section, add an empty section. You can adjust this empty section height from here. Then you can start adding elements like a button, for example, a video, and so on. Now let's see how to create a different page, for example, a contact page or a services page. So now select your exact template from or page template. Let's pick this one. This is another, this is a services page. You can edit all these elements manually. Now, when you create a page, you get this either new empty page or the page name depending on the page type you've selected. How to edit this page name or URL? Simply click on pages and navigation, and here under main navigation, click on these three dots next to the page name you want to edit, and here you can rename the page. This is the name in navigation, and this is the page URL. You can even hide this page from showing in this navigation menu, and you can protect this page with a password. To delete a page from your website, same thing. Click on these three dots and click on delete. As you can see here, we are talking about deleting the page from our website and not just from the navigation menu. Click on delete, and just like that, the page is deleted. Now, how to link to a page from different places on your website. To link to a page from your website header, simply go to pages and navigation and click on add a new, or click on add link, and here give your, for example, let's say that my page called is a booking page. Let's call it booking or book a table. Here select page, and from this list select your page or your desired page from this list. Here from this list includes all of the available pages on your website. Let's link to this services page, and here you can select between opening it in a new tab or not, and also hide the page or not from the navigation menu. In my case, I will not hide it, so click on save, and this is my new. Let's preview my website, and this is my new link in the header of my website. Now let's see how to link to a page from any page of your website using a button. Now click on add elements and select this button element. Customize this as you want, then click on edit button. Below link to, select same thing, select page, and then select your page from here. Let's say this, I want to link to this blog post page, and always don't forget to update or hit this update website button to publish any change you've made. Now let's see how to link to a page on your website from a photo. Same thing, add your photo like that, then select your photo, click on edit image, and then click on action, and below on click select open a link. Now make sure to select page and then select your page from this list. Now close this window, update your website, and let's view this image, or let's try this image link. When I click on it, it opens my other page. And this is how to create and link new pages in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.